It had so much power, was ripping the 35-inch tall tires off of it, and I was amazed by it.
If you want something to bring out here to like Hammertown or the dunes or wherever, you will be king of the hill with a package like that.
Once you go that way, you're never going to want another car without it.
The car is incredible.
It wakes it up, and it's amazing the power difference.
Driven the Polaris Pro-R with a supercharged kit and a bunch of other accessories, and it's a pretty wild ride.
If you put somebody that has no idea about any type of talent, raise, or anything, they put that in there, they're going to think that's how every car should be.
Just the next level of car. You know, like I said, I've had a lot of experience in other Polaris and other Can-Ams, and that's just that next level.
You got no lag. It's instant power, and the big thing is it's drivable. It's not like you get into a race car and it's hard to start, hard to drive.
I would say that the power is incredibly consistent. The thing that's really nice about the car is you could honestly put anybody into the car, whether you're new, professional, whatever your level of expertise is, and the car is incredible.
I could put my wife in there, she'd drive and be like, okay, there's no issues here. Why doesn't every car have this?
Because the power is consistent and it's there all the time. You're not going to put yourself in a situation where you come up to whoops or the side of a bowl and you stomp on it and you lose control.
I hate using this phrase, confidence inspiring. Everybody uses that in the media, but it does, I felt a lot more confident.
You absolutely need to go for a ride, for sure. I mean, I can say that it's the greatest thing in the world, but until you actually get in a ride, you won't really tell the difference.
Honestly, these guys really know what they're doing.
Oh yeah, the design is on point. It doesn't look gaudy. It fits more like factory than other supercharger kits and turbo kits that I've seen. Everything hugs right, it fits right.
The way the kit's designed and built inside the car, you can see that they go through every inch of it to make sure that the kit is perfect and dialed for the car. The Kraftwerks kit is honestly incredible.
Your supercharger is absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to give you my money.
It's built for performance. If you like to go fast and do nothing but fast, it's fast.
If you've never experienced it or never had the chance to do it, you should really put your hands on one because it's absolutely hands down one of the best kits out there I've seen so far.
Yeah, let's take it up Chocolate Thunder right now.
Kraftwerks!